Manchester is one of the most important and vibrant cities in the United Kingdom, known for its powerful mix of history, culture, innovation, and modern lifestyle. Located in northwest England, the city grew rapidly during the Industrial Revolution and became famous as the world's first industrial city. It was here that factories, textile mills, and scientific breakthroughs changed how the world produced goods. Because of this legacy, Manchester is often called the Cottonopolis and a birthplace of modern industry. Today, Manchester is a city that blends old and new. Its historic red brick buildings, canals, and warehouses stand beautifully beside modern skyscrapers, luxury apartments, and creative spaces. This mix gives the city a unique character that visitors immediately feel. One of Manchester's biggest global identities is its football culture. The city proudly hosts two of the world's biggest football clubs, Manchester United and Manchester City. Their stadiums, Old Trafford and Etihad Stadium, attract millions of visitors every year. Football here is more than a sport. It is a passion that connects people from every part of the world. Culturally, Manchester is a city of music, creativity, and freedom of expression. Many legendary bands such as Oasis, The Smiths, Joy Division, and New Order came from Manchester. Even today, the city's music scene is alive with concerts, festivals, and clubs that attract artists from around the globe. This strong cultural spirit also extends to arts, design, and media, with landmarks like the Lowry, Manchester Art Gallery, and Media City, UK. Manchester is also known for its educational excellence. It is home to the University of Manchester, one of the world's leading research institutions, where groundbreaking discoveries such as the first modern computer and graphene were made. The presence of many local and international students gives the city a young and energetic atmosphere.